you just say, oh, jumbo?
I'm recording. I'm recording. You're like, wey, ¿qué lo que contigo?
Hi everyone, my name is Liz and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm accompanied by one of my best friends and life guru, MICA.
Hi everyone.
And today we're gonna talk about rotating organizers. So the first time that I saw these makeup organizers was actually at MICA's house. And why did you get this?
Because I'm mad.
And MICA actually purchased two of them. She uses one for makeup and one for skincare. I purchased two organizers from a different company and I got mine in black to match my furniture. The reason why I purchased mine is because not only do I have mad, I also like to see my products. That way I remember to use them. So let's unbox this baby. This is my second one. Not crazy about the packaging, but looks like nothing's broken. So if it ain't broken, don't fix it. Okay. Your nails are so cute. Girl, what's that? All right, so we have all of our pieces. So let's take this out. All right, and perfect. Okay. So off the bat, what I really like is the instructions. I love pictures. I love pictures, and I think having it set up like this is amazing. It tells me what the package contains. It tells me the name of the item and how many pieces of each. And it also gives you step-by-step instructions on how to build it. So I already built one earlier. So this is what it looks like. And you can move the plates around to kind of fit your products, which is also really cool. So let's see how this one comes out. And these are the rubber bands for the plates. I wasn't really crazy about them at first because when you try to take out a plate, for example, if you need to switch the size, you can't pull the rubber band from the side because it's really tight. So one thing that I noticed is if you start to pull from the middle of the rubber band, it comes right out, which is awesome because we always have our nails done and I hate to break a nail trying to fix an organizer. All right, awesome. So we have that going. And so we're gonna finish building ours. And if you purchase this item, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and let us know what's working for you and what's not. All right, so we're back and we are, what?
It's not a
Literally. So we are clutter free. We fit all of our products on our organizers. And MICA, which company did you buy your organizers from?
So I got mine on Amazon and it was the Sanipoe 360, something like that. But it was around $23 at the time. So yeah.
Awesome. And I got mine from Stylus or Stimus or something. And I got the Syntus 360 organizers from Amazon as well. At the time, I paid $22 for mine, but I believe that it's around $19 right now. So definitely take advantage. And MICA, what do you like about the organizers?
So I like that they hold a lot of stuff.
And what don't you like? Oh wait. So MICA, what don't you like about the organizers?
I don't like that they're round because the corners are a little bit awkward. You can finagle around it, but it would be better if it were a square.
And one thing that I did notice about my organizers in comparison to MICA's organizers is that mine came with 6 shelves and MICA's only came with 4. Alright, so that's it. Those are... Alright, so that wraps up our 360 organizers review. So this is what we have here. And MICA, thank you so much for showing me the organizers and for joining me today at your house.
Of course.
Alright, so that wraps up our... Is it Yeah. So that wraps up our video today. We will make sure to put the links in the description below for the organizers that we purchased. And make sure to like this video if you want to see more home organization tips. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that you never miss any of my reviews or tutorials. And MICA's channel is actually coming up, I think.
Baby.
Let's cheers to that. You have raspberries?
Yeah, you have grapefruit.
Yeah. Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
Alright, so note to self, we need to get more video snacks because we already ate them prior to the video.